Welcome to IMCWire. In this video, I will personally guide you through the complete process of how to place an order on IMCWire. Step 1: Navigating to the pricing page. After landing on the IMCWire website, we head over to the top header menu and click on the very first option labeled Pricing Page. Here, you'll notice 4 available pricing plans: the Basic Plan, Standard Plan, Premium Plan, and finally, the Corporate Plan. In this tutorial, we'll be purchasing the Corporate Plan. Step 2: Selecting the Corporate Plan. Under the Corporate Plan, we simply click the Order Now button. This takes us directly to the order placement page. Step 3: Choosing Industry and Country. Here, we need to provide some details for our press release. First, we select the industry category. Next, we choose our targeted country. Once that's done, we click on the Next button to continue. Step 4: Uploading or writing the press release. On the next page, we see 2 options: have IMCWire's professional team write the press release for an additional fee of $120. Or, upload your own press release document. In this video, I'll go with the second option and click on Upload your PR in a doc file. Then we click Next. Step 5: Registering and verifying account. Now we've arrived at the Register and Login page. If you don't have an account yet, simply register yourself by filling in your details. After registration, you'll receive an OTP on your email. Enter that OTP to verify your account, and then click Next. Step 6: Secure Crypto Checkout. We're now on the Secure Crypto Checkout page. Here are the payment instructions you'll see. Scan the QR code or copy the address. Send exactly 1320.00 USDT using the TRC20 network. Enter your wallet address in the required field. Upload a screenshot as proof of payment. And remember, do not close this page until your payment is confirmed. Once the payment is complete, enter your confirmation address, upload the proof of payment, and then click Submit Order. Step 7: Dashboard Access and Order Status. After submitting your order, you'll be redirected to the IMCWire Professional Dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on the third option named Press Release. Here, you'll see that your plan has been added, but the order status is still showing as pending. Don't worry. After about 5 minutes, IMCWire's professional team will verify your proof of payment. Once approved, you'll receive a payment confirmation notification in your inbox or even your spam folder. Reload your dashboard, and now you'll see the payment